Hi everyone, today we're unboxing a game that Disney sent us, Disney Villainous from Ravensburger. They also are the same company that makes Disney Puzzles. You may have seen this game over the years, but this is a new version. That's Bee in the background, she's just saying hi. This is a new Introduction to Evil version. So this is designed to be a starter set, a beginner set, so if you've always wanted to play this game but never really knew about it or where to start, this is for you. And also it includes what?
A Lorcana trading card game exclusive foil promo card inside. So hopefully we'll get a Lorcana card.
So Lorcana is a separate game, also very popular at the moment, and this includes a card for that game as well. All right, so let's see. We're also not going to attempt to explain the rules.
Yeah, we're not good at that.
We're just showing you what's in the box.
We're going to show you what's inside.
All right.
Okay, so it's opened.
So we have some instructions.
All right. Instruction manual.
Game overview, etc. Objectives. Oh. Okay, this is interesting. I've never seen that before. What does that say?
Okay, reading rules can bring out your true inner villain. Watch and listen instead. Okay, so this is nice because I personally hate reading instructions to people. I feel like it never comes across how I want it to. So you can just scan the QR code and the instructions and everything will be explained to you.
That actually is pretty cool. This is like an ad for a different game, Disney Villains Labyrinth. Okay, and then it just shows you some of the other expansions that you can get.
Okay,
All right.
Here's our characters.
So in this Introduction to Evil version, the 4 different villains that you can play, and they're represented by these little pawns, are...
We got Maleficent right here.
Maleficent.
Who's this? Captain Hook? Captain Hook.
This is Ursula, and I believe this is supposed to represent Prince John from Robin Hood, but I don't really know why or what that's about. All right,
Interesting.
So then it looks like, depending on which character you choose, you have your own little game board. So like this is Maleficent's game board. And it has her going through the Forbidden Mountains, Briar Rose's cottage, the forest, and King Stefan's castle. What about Prince John? What is
Here's Prince John. It gives a quote from each villain. This crown gives me a feeling of power. I'm sure it does, Prince John. And so you can see how you go along, I guess, with each.
It looks like each villain has their own objective as well.
Yes.
Captain Hook's objective is to defeat Peter Pan at the Jolly Roger.
Classic. Prince John's objective, have at least 20 power and Robin Hood at the jail.
So I guess if you read the instructions, you know what that means, but I don't know what that means.
We don't know what that means yet. We're going to play it.
Ursula's objective is to have the trident and the crown at Ursula's lair. Okay. And then Maleficent is have a curse at each location. All right, so I guess that means things based on whatever the instructions of the game are. And then it also looks like, in addition to those, so each villain has a game board
with different places. There's
but then
4
they
different
also
places on each game board.
They also have a little booklet, I guess, with additional instructions to tell you how to defeat the objective. Yes, it explains the objective and then the kind of the steps that you need to play to do that. So this is a bit involved. This is, even though it's a Disney game, probably not for super young kids because it does look like there's strategy.
Yes.
And comprehension
You
skills
can cast
involved.
Curses.
This explains, there's something called action symbols, I guess, and it explains what each of those mean. And then, okay, so here's the Lorcana card. It looks like, I don't know if it's the same for every set, but we got Prince John Gold Lover. It's our card. And it says he likes beautiful, lovely taxes. So if you play Lorcana, maybe you know what that means, but
I don't, so yeah. I don't know what that is.
But Lorcana is quite the hot game at the moment. All right, and then it looks like we also have other different card packs.
They look like good people. So I have
like
Sebastian.
Heroes.
Yeah, like the heroes.
This looks like are they for each? Yes. Okay, so they match. So.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, we're getting it. We're getting it.
Okay.
There's different decks of cards for each villain, and it looks like I'll just open up the Captain Hook one. So, like you said,
Yeah, Ursula has a deck,
Oh,
and
yes.
I haven't opened it yet, but Sebastian is who I see on here. So each card deck has.
Let's see what the different ones are. Okay, so like this is the Captain Hook one. Okay, yeah, there's Lost Boys, Michael. Oh, but then some of them are like verbs, like taunt. I'll hold them up. Oh, one of them says splitting headache.
Ooh.
So I guess this is like moves you forward or back in the game. Like for splitting headache, it says discard an item from Captain Hook's realm. So I guess that would be negative. That would be like bad if you drew that. But this artwork on there is pretty cool. Like it looks like this has been like hand drawn. Like it looks like in the same style as like the animated movies. And actually pretty cool artwork. And stuff like that. Yeah, okay, so that's pretty much it. These are the, like, these are
Chips.
some sort of chips. Yeah. They look like they're probably like styrofoam.
Yep.
There's this, which I'm sure, again, is involved in the game somehow, but we're not going to attempt to explain the rules. This is just an unboxing. And then on the sides, it looks like it shows some of the other different versions of the game that you can purchase separately if you so choose. Like, for example, it looks like there's something called Perfectly Wretched version with Mother Gothel from Tangled, Cruella de Vil from the 101 Dalmatians, and Pete from the Mickey shorts, it looks like, and then other different. Ooh, even deep cuts like the Horned King from the Black Cauldron. So this is cool. If you like the villains are hot at the moment. We got that Villains show coming to Hollywood Studios, Villains Land coming Beyond Big Thunder at Magic Kingdom.
Yes.
So this is great for all of that. And like we said, let's see if it has an age recommendation on here.
Maybe the instructions.
I don't see a recommended. Oh, 10 plus. Ages 10 plus. Okay,
Yes.
that makes sense. And it's
10 and up.
2 to 4 players, and it says it takes about 20 minutes per player.
Oh, so quite a lengthy game.
So this is like invite some friends over to have a game night.
Yes.
And really like commit to playing the game, not just
Yeah.
casually while something else is happening.
Right. This is gonna take, it seems like, some thinking, some strategy, and some time. We're gonna play tonight, and it's gonna be fun.